Hello guys, my name is Abiodun Ayomi Said. In this video, I want to talk about etherconnect project. It's called ECC. Yes, I want to talk about etherconnect project, ECC coin. Okay, what is ECC? What is etherconnect coin? Etherconnect simply is just a, a decentralized platform. Okay, now let's just go to the website of etherconnect. If you want to go to the etherconnect website, just etherconnect.co, www.etherconnect.co. Okay, now let's just quickly check some information who we are. You can see join the revolution with etherconnect. Etherconnect is an open source decentralized finance platform for a stable coin, staking, yield farming, and DeFi banking protocol. All right, you can move on to read more and more information about etherconnect. All right, but there is a particular information that I want to reveal, and I want to utilize this information that I'm dishing out now. Why? Because this is one of the easiest way to turn $100 to over $2,000 within a very short period of time. All right, so now, like I said, you can log on to www.etherconnect.co to navigate through the information. What is etherconnect? What is the what is it called, the team behind the project? All right, but etherconnect was actually launched this February, February 2021 on their own website, and the coin was launched at just 10 cents, and presently the coin is being traded at over 40 cents now. Okay, now let's log on to okay, now you can see this is the site, this is the platform of ECC. That is, before you can be here, you have to be a member of ECC. And as you can see, this is I'm trying to check the current price of ECC, current price of ECC, current price of ECC. All right, current. Okay, now this is the price of ECC. This is the current price of ECC. This coin was launched 10 cents February this year, and now is over 40 cents. And the coin was launched on etherconnect.co. It was launched on their website. But now the good information about this coin now, is that this coin, that is ECC, etherconnect, they are going to launch this coin on PancakeSwap. Read here, ECC will be listed at what? At $2 on PancakeSwap. When? Remain just 3 days and 8 hours. Wow, this is great information. This is a great and great information, because this coin was actually launched February this year 2021 at 10 cents, and now its current price now is over 40 cents. And in few days, in just less than 4 days, this coin is going to be launched on PancakeSwap at $2. You understand me now? Now, for those that have bought this coin for the longer time, you can see, for example, this account now has about it has about $52 there, and it has about 163 coin, and is getting 10% of this every month. It's getting 10% of this every month, and this particular 163 coin will be staked for this person for 365 days. Now, I want us to get something right here. Now, this is the amount of the dollar the person invested here, and this is the amount of the coin he got. All right, and he is getting this every month, 10% of $52 worth of ECC every month. He's getting that one, and that one is withdrawable anytime, any day. But the particular 163 coin is being staked for this guy for 365 days, meaning that he is getting this 163 coin back after 365 days. Now let's now assume by the time if you want to withdraw this 163 coin in 365 days, the price of ECC has already rise to $50, has already rise to $20, has already rise to $100. You can imagine you are going to make good money. But the information I want to give out now is that ECC is going to be launched on PancakeSwap in the next 3 days and 8 hours, and this is how you can make serious money. You can make serious money in this project. Why? Because ECC has over 1 million members. They have over 1 million member that is in their project, and is telling us that a lot of people will trade this coin at the launch time. All right, so if you can just prepare yourself and get yourself ready, immediately this coin launch, just go to PancakeSwap and buy. Go to PancakeSwap and buy. You can buy worth of $50, you can buy worth of $10, you can buy worth of $100, you can buy worth of $1,000, you can buy worth of $10,000. You can just buy, as much as you can afford, or as little as you can afford. All right, so but if you buy this project, no doubt about that, you are going to make serious money. You are going to make good money. And another information is that ECC will also launch their decentralized exchange, their own DEX, on this particular day, on the 15th of September 2021. They are going to launch their own DEX because they have a lot of ecosystems surround the project. All right, and ECC happen to be the mother coin of all these ecosystem. All right, so this is good information. If you have like $100, I will advise you now to buy this coin when it launch. This, what I'm saying, is just advice. This is my opinion, as I'm not a financial advisor. All the information I'm dishing out here is just based on my opinion. All right, and therefore you are advised to do your own research. Do your own research. All right, but no doubt about that, based on the past information, based on the past data, I am opinion that this project is going to do a very wonderful one. All right, now it's going to launch on PancakeSwap at $2, and if this coin launch at $2 on PancakeSwap, it can go more than $30, $40, even $50 within 2 weeks. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Yes, it can do more than that. It can do more than that. Now, for example, you invest, let's just say $100. Just invest $100 here. You buy ECC at $100. You buy ECC coin worth of $100 at $2. You get it at $2. That means you are getting 50 coin. All right, now just sell it when the coin is maybe $40 or $50. Let's say $50, it's up to $50. That is over $2,000. Now if it is $20, that is $1,000. You can imagine, and you convert that $1,000 to naira 510. That's over 510,000 naira. From how much? From like 60,000 naira, from 50,000 naira, 55,000 naira, or so this is simple way people are making good money from cryptocurrency, because these are the secret of people that are making good money from cryptocurrency. One of the best way you can make good money is to what? Is to buy coin when the coin is at initial stage, when the coin is at the best stage. Yeah, just get the coin when it's at the best stage, and this is the beginning. This is the beginning of you know, of this coin. This is just the beginning of this coin. So if you can't buy this coin now, just back this coin. And you know, and what the information I'm giving you now is not a long, is not a long term information. I mean, it's not, I'm not trying to tell you to invest here for a long time. Now you can have two portfolio, right? Okay, you can buy one for longer time, then you can buy the second one for short term period. All right, the one you buy for the long term period, you can leave it for like 2 years, 18 months, 12 months. All right, but the one you are buying for the short term period, you can buy that one and leave it for like a month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, and 6 months. All right, but here I'm saying that this ECC coin is going to be launched on PancakeSwap, you know, in 3 days time and 8 hours, on the 15th of September 2021. It's going to be launched on PancakeSwap. Now just get yourself prepared, get some money ready, turn the money to Binance Smart Chain, put the money on Trust Wallet. All right, get yourself ready. Immediately the coin launched on PancakeSwap, just buy, and you know, sell back when it is $20, when it is $10, when it is $30 or $40. You just take your profit out whenever you are okay. But remember, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. If you get the coin at $2 and the coin rise to like $10, $15, $20, you know, take your profit. You can take like 90% of your profit or 85% of your profit and leave the remaining 10% or 15% for what? For TP2. All right, in fact, I will advise you that if you buy this coin, just set your profit one to $10. That is, if you buy this coin now at $2 when it is launched on PancakeSwap, you buy at $2, just sell it when it is $10. You can sell like 90% when it is $10. That means you have already what? Taken out your profit. All right, once again, my name is Abiodun Ayomi Said. If you are here for the first time, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next videos.